Hey, yeah, you. My name's Fried Chicken Joe.
And I'm Kathy.
And today we're gonna teach you about screwdrivers. This is a diagram of a screwdriver.
To use a screwdriver, you take the handle and insert the edge into the screw where the divots are. You then turn the screwdriver till the screw is into the material.
Screwdriver is a tool particularly used for inserting, tightening, loosening, and removing a screw.
To use a screwdriver safely, do not do any of the following. Action.
Let's try it this time.
So don't be stupid.
What happened to your hair? Some jobs that use a screwdriver are shipbuilding, carpentry, electricians, building contractors. They help hold fixtures and equipment in place. So there you go, kids.
Now you know how to use a screwdriver, so go buy one today!